The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is coming in 2025. But wait, have you heard the buzz? Or more accurately, the lack of it. Why is there so little hype around this phone? Could it be because it's rumored to be powered by an Exynos chipset? And let's be real, Exynos has had a rough reputation. Well, at least until now. You see, there's a juicy new leak that could change everything. Let me explain. Samsung is reportedly diving deep into mass production of their Exynos 2500 chipset, built on cutting-edge 3M tech. That's a huge deal because if this chip makes its way into the S25 FE, we could be looking at a real performance upgrade. But hold on, does this mean Samsung is finally ready to make Exynos competitive, or is this just another gamble that will fall flat? I don't know about you, but I'm curious to see how this unfolds. Hey, welcome back, viewers. It's Sam here, and if you're excited to dive into everything we know and don't know about the S25 FE, hit that like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more. You're not going to want to miss this. So back to the Exynos 2500. This is where things get really interesting. Leaks suggest that Samsung's pulling all the stops, hoping to change their chip's reputation. This isn't just another boring update. The 2500 might just be able to go toe-to-toe with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And if that happens, it would be massive for Samsung, who've been trying to break away from their reliance on third-party chipsets. But, and here's the cliffhanger, if the Exynos 2500 falls short, does that mean Samsung has truly missed their moment with the FE lineup? Let's talk design next, and I'm not just talking about the same old. The S25 FE is rumored to be getting a serious makeover with a thinner profile. How, you ask? A wider, slimmer battery. Sounds like a tricky challenge, right? Changing the internal layout is no easy feat, but Samsung might just have a trick up their sleeve here. Could this new design be the thing that finally makes the FE feel more premium? If they pull it off, the S25 FE could be slimmer, sleeker, and more refined than any of its predecessors. But wait, what about the display? Well, here's a fun tidbit. If you love the 6.7-inch screen on the Galaxy S24 FE, you're in for a treat. It's coming back, and honestly, why wouldn't it? Samsung's dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with that buttery 120Hz refresh rate is hard to beat. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and scrolling is super smooth. But what's really surprising is the fact that they're keeping it consistent. It's almost like Samsung knows this is the sweet spot for both price and performance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but what's going to make the S25 FE stand out? Well, the real game changer could be the chipset. If Samsung nails the Exynos 2500, we might see some serious improvements in performance and battery life. But here's the thing, you don't really know for sure what's going to power the S25 FE. There's speculation about Snapdragon processors making an appearance in certain regions, and we could even see a MediaTek chip sneak its way into the mix. Whatever happens, this phone is going to be fast, powerful, and most importantly, affordable. Speaking of affordability, one of the most exciting things about the S25 FE is that it's supposed to be a wallet-friendly option. If Samsung can keep the price lower than the Galaxy S24 FE while packing in all these improvements, AI-powered features, a better battery, and upgraded performance, it could be a serious contender in the budget flagship space. Speaking of AI, hold onto your seats for this one. Samsung is reportedly integrating a ton of smart features into the S25 FE. Think AI-driven photo and video editing, smarter voice assistants, and on-device generative tools that will help you create content like a pro. Oh, and get this, there's a rumored audio eraser feature. That means Samsung might offer real-time background noise cancellation for videos. This is huge, especially for people who want to capture clean audio while on the go. And let's not forget the battery. With the new design and chip efficiency, Samsung could be looking at a monster 5,500 mAh battery. That's a huge leap from the S24 FE. And if this holds true, you're looking at some serious all-day power. Combine that with faster charging speeds, and the S25 FE might just end up beating the battery king of the Fan Edition lineup. Now, let's talk colors. This is something Samsung's always nailed: personalization. The S25 FE could come in a variety of fun, fresh shades like mint, coral red, navy blue, and maybe even a titanium gray. So whether you're into bold colors or subtle tones, you'll find something to match your style. Alright, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. And while Samsung has yet to officially confirm anything, the leaks are piling up and they're looking pretty convincing. The S25 FE could be the phone that finally gives you all the premium features you've been dreaming of without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 FE going to blow us away, or will it just be another meh device? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay in the loop on all things tech, hit that subscribe button and join me next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.